We have a new member of the Beekeep team. This is Franklin. Say hello, Franklin.
Here.
Susie is working a training program with Franklin. We're glad to have him on board. Franklin is a Legato Romagnolo, which is an Italian water dog. He is 10 weeks old, and we got him 2 weeks and 1 day ago. Having a puppy is like having a baby, only they grow up a lot faster.
That's a boy. Good boy. Here. Good boy.
Yes, Lincoln. Hey, Lincoln, here. Lincoln. Lincoln is not adjusting well. He's not super happy having a little puppy chasing him around all the time, but we're hopeful he'll get situated soon.